Hey y'all, what's up? Okay, so today is September 3rd, and today's the day that Hurricane Dorian's supposed to hit. But you know what? That ain't stopping Disney because homegirl going to work right now. So yeah, let's hope my day tomorrow doesn't get canceled because I have the day off, and me and the girls are trying to go eat with some characters tomorrow. So yeah, let's just see how that works out. If not, we're probably just gonna have a hurricane party. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so this is our hurricane, and we're about to go eat. We were expecting something big, but
my expectations.
They closed the park early yesterday, but they're open all day today. So we're about to go eat at Animal Kingdom. So park day after hurricane. Hey. So this is what the hurricane did.
A lot of leaves.
A lot of leaves.
And then it left.
Yeah, then it left. We think Dorian is Dory. Like,
We got a Finding Dory.
yeah, Finding Dorian. But yeah, y'all, we're here. We about to go to Flight of Passage. You know, hopefully the wait is super short. Why would anyone,
I have a fast pass, she doesn't.
why would anyone come to a park the day of a hurricane? Like, crazy people, huh? People wild. Like, why would you do that?
I've been to the parks the last 2 days. I am Dorian. I did the same amount of damage here as Dorian.
It's really nice today. It's windy. It's not hot. You know, the sun's not burning us today. It's pretty nice, right, Lexi?
Yeah, I got a sunburn yesterday, but that was just because I'm white.
All right, Lexi. What are we doing today?
We're gonna go eat breakfast at Tusker House and
Yeah, we're gonna explore the parks today. We're gonna explore the parks with all my roomies today. We're gonna go out to eat. I love them so much. Ooh. And then apparently it's a buffet also, so you already know, like, we gotta go all out. Well, we had these reservations made like a week in advance, I think. So like I thought we were gonna get canceled, but we didn't end up getting canceled, so we're making the best of it to come, even though the weather's not the best. But you know what? It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, menino, bebe, umagua.
Yay, Lexi! She's the only one that speaks Portuguese in the group.
Oh,
You
very
should know
little.
how to order food. That's the most important part.
Or beer, cerveja.
Or beer.
Very close to.
Vicky, can you drop it like a hurricane? Oh, can you drop it like a hurricane? Hey, Lexi, let's see you drop it like a hurricane.
I did not drop.
Oh. Hey, oh.
I literally dropped it like
She did drop it like a hurricane, y'all.
Repeat after me, nice, loud, and proud, and say, the wilderness! The wilderness! Must be explored! Must be explored! Take our hands, turn them around, cross them, so we can flap our beautiful wings and say, caw-caw, caw-caw! Caw-caw, caw-caw! And lion paws up, and roar! Ascots. Don't look for the orange ascot.
This is a good angle.
Orange bag.
This is my first time getting on this ride. Yes.
It's amazing.
This is my first
I
time.
love this ride.
I'm really excited. So in case you guys don't know this, but the Flight of Passage is based on the movie Avatar.
By James Cameron.
Ooh, a spooky time.
You're doing great. Almost done here.
We're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works.
Permanecer sentados. Inclinarse hacia adelante, agarrando las barras.
So
What is that?
This is James Cameron's handprint, and then this is Joe Rohde, who's one of the main Imagineers who works here, and then this is one of the other Imagineers, and I can't remember his name. But yeah, that's James Cameron's handprint. So if you want to touch where James Cameron was.
It will. It's too tall for me.
Thank you, tour guide Lexi.
I was taking a picture of you.
Sorry, I thought I was in your way.
No, I was trying to take a picture of you.
So are you ready to eat?
I'm sorry.
It's 10:01. Our reservations are in 9 minutes, y'all. I didn't even eat breakfast this morning, like, cause I'm
brunch.
ready. This is gonna be our brunch. Ooh, do you think they're gonna have Mickey shaped waffles?
I want a Simba shaped waffle.
I want Simba shaped? They do Simba shapes?
Yeah.
Y'all.
You can get Mickey shaped at a lot of restaurants.
That's true.
Simba, man.
We gotta get a Simba one. All right, y'all, we're about to eat. It's our turn. It's our time for our reservations. All right, y'all, here we are. We're about to eat. You ready? Hey. Alright guys, so this is what we got. I got some waffles, Simba shaped waffles with Mickey Mouse. Got some potatoes, sausage, bacon, beef ratatouille, ham, some chicken thing, and I got some eggs. You know, we're about to get real lit in here. Everyone's about to eat really good.
Dance party?
Y'all, Donald just scared Danny. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Danny. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay, Donald.
Yes, you're doing great. I love this outfit of yours. You look so young. You look, wow, okay. Yes, you look
Nice and strong.
nice and strong, yes.
An adventure man.
All right, y'all, now we're at the lunch. They changed the food. Now they put a lot more. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we're done eating. We're all full and sleepy. We got here when it was breakfast and we stayed till they even switched to lunch. So yeah, this was our lunch plate and we are done. Like,
I'm so full.
did you guys like it?
We're so full that we're unhappy now. We're like uncomfortably full, but it was delicious.
We're all in a food coma right now.
If you haven't tried African food, do it.
Do it. Hi. Name of the animals.
I was about to say, oh look, safari means booking off.
Safari means what? She said safari means booking office.
I really do suggest getting there.
Lexi's really excited, y'all.
So fun fact, in South America, the Mayans would lick these frogs.
South America?
South America. What did I say?
South America.
Yeah, South America. The Mayans would lick these frogs called bufos, or I guess they're toads, and they would, it acted as a psychedelic, so it would get them high, and they thought they were communicating with the gods, but really they were just licking toads to get really high.
And scene.
Guys, what's a fish without eyes?
What is it? You're born.
Hey, okay, Lexi. Okay, Lexi. Okay. Okay, Lexi. Yes, Lexi. Okay, Lexi. Yes, Lexi. Yeah.
down, Miles. There it goes. Nice job.
And hold it.
There we go. Yep. And you guys can actually take another half step in too. We can make this a little more difficult. There we go. You're in a great spot. Hold nice and still. Watch Miles. He is coming from the back this time. You ready, bud? And up here. Welcome back.
So I took Patsy's camera. She's posing for photos right now. She's making her own wall of Disney, or should I say signs of Disney. But you're gonna go on an adventure with me now. So that's a trash can. Those are some tables. Those are some monkeys. They're barking. I would zoom in, but I don't know how to. But they're like right in there swinging around.
What'd you say?
No, I'm talking to your people. Nah, see, there's the monkey there. Oh, that was a burn. And so there's another trash can. There's some Homo sapiens. There's Mount Everest up there, which is a dope ride. Yeah. I'm not good at talking to the camera, but you get my fun, that was a bubble. You get my fun tour where I point out every trash can. My tours and puns are trash. There's another trash can. There's Patsy. There's Vicky. There's a lady with orange hair. Yeah, we already established the monkeys. There's some water. There's some ladies by an ice cream stand. There's this fence that's themed. Oh, fun fact about Asia while you're walking through it. When you're closer to Africa, you see lots of tire tracks and you see lots of animal footprints and all that. But as you move closer to Everest there, on the ground, you'll start to see the tire tracks be taken place by bike tracks. You see a lot more leaves and stuff in the ground, and it kind of change depending on like what altitude it's supposed to be representing. The further you go up, you start to see less and less bike tracks. As you can see now, there's not as much that we saw back there. You see a lot more horse footprints and that kind of stuff. And then, yeah, so before we were seeing like footprints that had shoes on, but now they're like little feet, because the higher elevation they don't often wear shoes. And then as we go further and further, you don't even see like the human presence anymore as you get closer to Everest, and it becomes only animal footprints, but specifically animals that would live in those higher elevations. So it's just one of those things that Disney does to show like that you're moving closer to the mountains or higher up in elevation. And I just love that all these feet are going to the bar because same.
Lexi, fun fact. Fun facts with Lexi, y'all.
Fun facts with Lexi.
I'll tell you how to follow her on YouTube, but she don't have one. So you can go ahead and follow her on Instagram. I'll go ahead and leave her link down below. Guys, she's single and ready to mingle. She's really fun.
Oh, there's another trash can.
just like your puns. Just like your puns. Now I'm just playing.
My puns are trash. Oh, are we going to the bar? There's another trash can. I've been pointing out every trash can. Okay. Bye.
Wow, that was it. So as you can see, we're making the best of it today. 10-minute wait. It wasn't even a 10-minute wait. It was more like
You walk through the line.
more like a 2-minute walk and no wait. I mean, we're literally about to get on right now. You ready, Vicky? Guys, Vicky's still in her food coma. And here we have Lexi. We're all in our food coma. I'm sleeping. Oh no! Is this the end of the track? What are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? What's going on? Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so here's what I got. I got the bugs and grubs. You can go ahead and get it at this truck right here. They have cookies, they have vanilla and chocolate, or you can get the twist. I went ahead and got with the twist. I had to get this one.
You're excited to meet Doug.
I love Doug.
There he be. Look over there.